Recovering your Coinbase wallet account is a straightforward process that can be completed using your recovery phrase. This phrase is a list of words that was provided to you when you first set up your account, and it is used to restore access to your wallet in case you lose your password or account information. First, make sure you have your recovery phrase written down and stored in a safe place. If you do not have your recovery phrase, you will not be able to recover your account. Next, go to the Coinbase website and click on the Login button. Then select the option to recover your account using your recovery phrase. You will be prompted to enter the words of your recovery phrase in the correct order. Enter the words of your recovery phrase, making sure to type them in exactly as they appear on your written copy. If you enter the words incorrectly, you will not be able to recover your account. Once you have entered your recovery phrase, you will be prompted to create a new password for your account. Choose a strong and unique password that you have not used before. After creating a new password, you will be logged into your account and you will have access to your funds and account information. It is a good idea to review your account settings and make sure everything is up to date and secure. It is also important to keep your recovery phrase in a safe place, such as a fireproof safe or a safe deposit box. This will help protect your account and funds in case you need to recover your account again in the future. By following these steps, you can easily recover your Coinbase wallet account using your recovery phrase. Remember to always keep your recovery phrase and password safe and secure to protect your account and funds.